Hi there, Connie here. I want to talk to you about my new book, Work Smarter with Microsoft OneNote. Let's take a look inside so you can find out more about what it has to offer you.
Let's start with the table of contents. This book is actually divided up into 4 different sections that contain 15 chapters. So the first section is the anatomy of OneNote. Second section is navigating, searching, and shortcuts within OneNote. Third section, inserting information and links into your notebooks. Fourth section, integrating OneNote with other Microsoft 365 apps. And the last section, making lasting change with OneNote. So let's take a peek inside the book and see what it entails. So I just flipped to a page that shows you that there's some nice graphics so that you're seeing what kind of screenshots or pictures you can expect as you're going through the steps in this book to do the stuff that's suggested. Here's an example of OneNote on the iPhone as shown in the book. And just so you know, the book covers more than just the iPhone. It covers all devices that you can use OneNote on. Here's another example of a couple of pages that talk about OneNote and show another screenshot and example in it. Now, one of my favorite sections in the book is actually the last one, which is all about exploring examples of notebooks that you can use at home and at work. And these are examples of mine that I'm sharing with you. The end of the book has an index so you can look things up easily, and the back cover does explain more about what to expect from the book and what you'll learn inside the book.
I hope you enjoyed that tour of Work Smarter with Microsoft OneNote, and you don't delay anymore in picking up this book. You can get it on Amazon, and then you too can work smarter with Microsoft OneNote. Thanks. Bye-bye.